So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the content of Steam blocked by your Windows. Now if you are not able to open the Steam or if you are not able to play any games and you're facing the error of content blocked or something like that, in order to fix that you just simply need to go to the settings of your Windows. Inside the settings you need to go to the option of privacy and security, then go to Windows security. Inside here, you simply need to go to the option of open Windows security. And in here, simply find the list of the antivirus and click on virus and threats protection. Inside here, click on this option of virus history protection history. Once you go this option of protection history, you'll find the files that are blocked of the Steam by the Windows antivirus. You can simply allow that files from here.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.